We were at the Dillards at the town center at Aurora, in Aurora, Colorado, and it just went up. We got a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Traditional VR. Here it comes. Here it is. Stand back just in case it's gonna go. Oh, the doors are opening all the way. That's nice. It's very mirrored. It's a nice motor.
Second floor.
Oh, it talks. That's cool. Take it back down to 1. We're probably gonna end back up here. I'm gonna grab my cab view now while nobody's in here. There's a giant security camera in here. Oh, even on the ceiling there's mirrors.
Hello. First floor.
All right, we'll end upstairs. Door closed does not work. I'll stand right in the center. This one. To the motor.
Second floor.
Nice. All right, we'll end up here. Ring the bell. It's green arrows up here. It's red downstairs. That's weird. All right, there it goes. Okay. Stop it.